welcome everybody. Just a very brief recap on what we discussed 2 days ago about the market outlook and live trading that I showed you. Everything played out accordingly. Remember, I told you as usual, we give out an expo about a couple of 5 to 6 pairs. Everything played out today. Small most of them played out today. Let me show you one of it, which I actually took so that you can always anticipate for the next market outlook and you don't miss out from it anytime we have such. Okay, so let's go into it, guys. So let me show you one of it. 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 Yeah, remember I told you guys that this market was here. It did a gap and came. I said that market was here. Was already doing this sell here. This euro. Can you hear me? Are you there? This euro JPY market was around here. I said that I'll be waiting for market to come here and I'll buy. However, I said that this sell that he was already doing, I said I disagree with the sell. That I still believe that this market should still go up before the sell even come. Am I talking? I said so. I told you vividly that this market was here. I said I would still definitely wait for this market to still come up. This is not enough because see now market comes from here, did a higher high, lower, 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 lower high. Higher, it has to be a higher high. This high, though it closes above this one, this candle closes above this high, but it's not enough to form a high high. It has to still go. It's not enough. So I said, you know what? Still come up. So it come up and then of course come down there. I can be able to pay because what this is a buy market, it's a long market. But when it came up, I saw that this is a point of a point of reaction, a point of interest, a point of concentration. If you can see very well, if you go back travel by you see that this zone is a strong zone that we can actually sell whenever market here it's come a short. So then I saw some configuration, I saw some patterns, candlestick patterns, which I am familiar with. You know, I told you guys, you should always know what we call signal confirmation entering candlesticks. You should always have them. I repeat, we have up to 10, up to 18 to 20 of them. We have it. So you can always type on the comment section if you need it. We'll send it to your email. I'll support to send it to your email. So you can always know some of these candlesticks. So for the candlestick I saw, that I knew that this market is ready for short. So that then even though I don't take counter trend market, but whenever I see that this thing is clean and it's looking sweet and juicy, I go for it. I go for it. It's sweet and juicy. I go for it. So it looked clean. I see further confirmations. Confirmation was there on for me on 2 hours, for there for me on 3 hours. Everything was just there. Everything was just clearly very everything was just clear to me. It was still there. So I came in, I entered it for what sell. I shot it. That's why I was able to make about how many about 60 pips or so, 50 pips or so, yes. Is it 40 or 50 pips? Then when it came back here, I knew it's time to buy because it was already touching my what? My trend line here as well. Which is I'll be waiting for. Remember I told you that I'll be waiting for the buy, then I knew to buy. I opted out immediately around here. You should also know when to opt out. I saw that candles. I opted out this before this candle closes. This one, this around here, I opted out. I already see this rejection here. Before this close of this candle, I opted out already. Before this candle, when candle closes like this, bam, I opted out. I knew what the investor is coming. Then I told our guys, opt out, guys, I'm out. Immediately I opted out. Can you see now? My head is fast immediately and started coming down. Immediately it would have wiped away your profit and they even wiped you away from break even. Imagine I opted in around here. I would have even wiped me away from break even and everything and I'll be in loss. Probably I will have come back to a bit profit by then. Maybe. So that was how it goes. Remember, it's all these are what we call out on what market outlook on Sundays. This is what we always do on Sundays. We come out to tell you our peers, our particular peers that we're looking at. I told you that one of the peers I'm particular with about is EURJPY. I'll pay more attention to. I give you guys about 6 of them, okay, 5 of them. So I pay more attention to someone that is quite clean enough and it's quite convincing to me enough. So that is when I pay attention, then I launch. So this was the one I pay attention to today. I launch it and I milk it front and back. You know, when you make something front and back, it's sold and it was selling, it's buy and it was buying. You know, something of sort is always amazing and it's always crazy. So that is for that. I hope you learned something today. I hope you learned something today. Don't forget to join us on our family. We have a family on Telegram where we drop daily signals. Daily, all of the signals we just did were like 7 signals. Everything went accordingly. We make about 80, 70, 90 pips today alone. Imagine what tomorrow will come out from. So if you are not there, you are missing a lot. I will urge you once again, please and please click the link below and join us. It's free. Join our community so you can always have access to free signals, free educations, free perks, and a lot more, guys. Thank you once again, everybody, and have a wonderful, productive, wonderful and productive ahead of the week. Peace out, guys. Bye and bye for now.